Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and use Gemini on iPhone. Now for us to get this done, first thing that we are going to do is open our App Store. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then we're going to tap the search icon. And in the search icon, we are going to look for Google Gemini. So I'm going to go ahead and type here Gemini. Click the search button, and you should be able to see Google Gemini right here. Just go ahead and tap the download application or download icon right here. All right, and now that's done downloading, I'm gonna open the app and we're gonna go ahead and continue using our Google account. And there you go. So we have now added our personal AI. So yeah, from this point forward, you can go ahead and basically do different kind of prompts here. So let's say, for example, let's go ahead and here, help me learn social media marketing, and then tap the search button right here. And there you go. It's basically created something for me. All right. So again, everybody, that's how you're going to use Google Gemini here on iPhone.